feel like this. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hi guys, welcome to back to my channel. You know it's your girl Amoy. So today on the Sunday, the girl gonna make some Lily cargots and big chicken. Yeah, that's my all-time favorites. Who know me knows a girl love goats. Yeah, so you know, I'm up in the kitchen with the goat thing. So, late, you know, late like, what time now? About after 2, I'm just gonna start with calls. Me, I feel come together with my brain. If that makes sense. So the girl put on her peas. Yes. So stay tuned. Yeah, I know someone shave. I'm gonna shave my wax, but the girl that wax me, she busy and me did busy too, so I get for go wax. So I hear them. One time I did insecure about them, but now I don't care. If you like me with them, you like me. If you don't, you don't. And I really don't mind nobody liking me. Yeah, stay tuned. Really laugh for me. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I mix up my coconut juice, well, my coconut milk. Yes, I try to get rid of the lump because I don't want a lump in there when I put it in the pot. When I put it in the pot, it's supposed to be perfect. So that is my friend Brady. Always take me out on Sunday to shop. Yeah. So him say I'm gonna go away left me now. Yes, so today I mix up my coconut juice because I will want my rice and peas nice. See them showing it. And girl will chat in the video now. Yes. Pour it in. Then the girl I go get like a seasoning and all of that. Put it in the pot. Me and scrape out everything. I serve the plate can go in there go cook too. Ha! Joke me make. Anyways, the girl gonna get her all-purpose. That is big. See, mom coming here on Sunday. Guys, I don't do here on Sunday. Book an appointment, especially at my yard. Yes, me add in my little black pepper. And my little and my salt. So yes, guys. Me telling some season my goat meat. Yeah, see there. I want goat here that you know. I know, I'm not telling you like that goat I did rink. See me show no there. Yeah, I just blend up some season for put on it because I never realize I not have enough. So me show it on the chicken there. I never realize I not have enough natural seasoning, so because the Brady had to take me to road and it's raining outside as you can see. Yeah, so the girl I'm mixing her seasoning, you know, in her chicken because girl I got baked chicken. So you know, season for marinate and taste good and smell good. It have smell up the community. See my chicken there. Girl not playing around here. Yeah. For you see them big smell, you know, food are nice. So anyway, so I go in my aisle there. And I'm a pot for my curry goats. So I put in my oil. And girl, I go put in our better pack curry. Yeah, guys, I love better pack curry. Let me be honest. I love better pack curry. Them better turn me into one of them ambassadors. Okay? Yeah. So yes, the girl having earpod and go like she nice and all of that. So the girl go in with her goat now. So I show now. Yeah, guys, I see there. My pot well hot. That steaming. Pouring my curry goat. You know. And you don't know say I want much we use cook goat. Yes. Well no way but me. Right. So my meat pretty. I that my love. And please don't ask where's the skeleton and time and all of them nice something there. Because I have already blended them up. Probably me never show another part a though, but yeah, blend season me use right this. So yes guys, the girl gone for her big tin. Well, a big pan this. This is not no tin. Yes, I'ma just rinse it out. Me I dry it out now. For apply me grease. Right. So me I gonna use some butter for the grease. You can use oil. You can use whatever. Olive oil. It doesn't matter. It's just for my chicken not to stick in the pan. Okay? Please be mindful and understand. I'm using some chiffon butter. I use what I want to use. I don't want nobody tell me say that can't use or it can't use. I am using chiffon and that me I work. Anything me say is law. So work with that. Alright? Yeah. So the girl grease her pan now. Yeah, because we don't want our chicken stick up. You don't know. And you know, when Top Chef in our kitchen, a different saga, a just different episode, different everything. Right, so I try to get rid of the little butter something there on my hand. Because, you know, I don't love it. It look a soft feeling and everything. I don't love it. Yes, anyways. Girl, I make sure the pan grease and nice and everything. Alright. So the girl I go in now, placing our chicken then. Come no chicken, why you not? Stop that. Yes, be good. Alright, sit there. Yes. Chow, they give me a little chow. Yeah, me have to bust a dance because you don't know rain a fall. Good food I cook. Who wouldn't happy? Me happy bar. Yeah, so I place in my chicken them because you don't know. The girl have to make sure so the food nice because you know for me I'm a look of immediate family. Yes, my mother, my nieces, well my niece, my nephew. Yes, so I cook for them today. Yeah, so that's a code. Who know me know that? Most of the girl I go cook. Alright? So yeah, me I clean off my finger. Me I light the oven because you don't know. Me I forget the oven preheated, if that makes sense. Yes, I think that makes sense. Anyways. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright. Yeah. So the girl I get the oven preheated. Now I'm going to foil over this. I don't know say. Who know for big chicken know say. Me alright. So everybody do them chicken different. You see me, you know, me like when my chicken at least come to a boil before anything else. Like I want it cook right through. So this is what the reason why I do this. Alright? I cover on my something, alright. So the girl goat meat there. Wow, it's coming alive. It's coming alive. The goat soon come out there, but anyways, yeah. So the girl rice and peas. Well, my rice not going to pot it, but yeah, guys. So I'm about to wash my rice. Yeah, because time ago, girl need our food for eat as early as possible. Even though I start cooking late, yeah, I'm going to wash rice. That type of thing. And this rice is not no brown rice, but it's not the pound rice because me really and truly don't like pound rice. This is the rice I got it from my friend Brady. Yeah, because I was looking for pork rice today and I think I did have rice, you know, but I only have like one like half pack of jasmine rice. And in the scheme mama them don't sell pork rice. Yeah, call my scheme pork if you want. I don't care. I love it here. It's quiet, it's peaceful, and all of that. Yeah. So it's just long grain foreign rice that. Anyways, may I wash it? Cause you know, girl, I have to wash it until the water is clear. So yeah, it is what it is. Judge me if you want to see it. Then I wash it like a clothes. It's the water. Very what the water? Creamy. Yeah, it kind of creamy. I don't like it that way. I like when it clear. I like when I wash my rice, the water clear. So I wash most of the starch out of it. Yeah. So yeah, the girl go and wash up her rice and sing. I'm not telling like at that point, I did get tired, you know. I said, I know, I can't bother, you know. Like the whole cooking right now. And till the rain a fall, and when the rain a fall, I just want to lie down and just relax my body. But anyways, I just work with the flow. Cause a girl don't know, say she gonna make a video. Cause my YouTubers, like not my YouTubers, but my subscribers, them probably I say, oh, I'm gonna say I'm gonna post a food video. Knowing me, I gotta post food video. So no worry on yourself. Yeah. So see it now, girl water can clear up now. As you can see. Yeah, the water clear up. Yes. So the girl I go add our rice now in our pots. So I'm gonna fix the camera so you can see clearly in my pot. See the guys, look there. And this, my auntie I love it, cause I guess so. I have to put a little bit of butter in there. The reason I put the butter in there is because I use the coconut powder, and coconut powder not normally give you the nice grease of thing there. You know, so I kind of add little chiffon in there. And yeah, I prefer chiffon butter over pound butter. Anything you prefer, it's up to you. Not my business, not your business. Me use what I use, you use what I use. Anything you like, that's fine, no problem. Yes, I'm putting in my rice now. Even though the rice seems like it's enough than the amount of liquid in the pot. But who cares? Cause girl, I gotta make things work, right? And me I dig out every grain out of the pan. Yes, me I take every grain from the pan. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. So see it there. Yeah, I done put in my rice and now see it there. Me tell them so I dig out every grain out there. Every grain. Alright. Cause nothing now is nothing now that way. You never hear cartel tell you no. Alright, so you see in that case, you know, people, me have to move the pepper out of the pot before I stir it up because the pot already pack up with the rice. So girl have to take out the pepper because we don't want the pepper bust. Because remember we have look about food for we and we niece and we nephew, and we don't want to have no bad vibes. I think I got 2 pepper. I did that one there for 2 pepper I put in a pot. But anyways, I will find it in due time because I'm not going to stop the rice. I just dig it. Yeah. So see it there, I'm find an next pepper, which is good. Can take it out. It's going back in there though, guys. So don't worry on yourself. Yes, it's a girl, a fixed pot. Yes, I'm going to have to adjust the being as the small amount of water in the pot. I have to turn her down the stove right down so the water they can seep into the rice and cook and perfect and nice and lovely. So I add my chicken now to the oven because it did a hot on my foot, you know. I'm gonna say alright, I'm gonna add that now. See the girl curry goat there? Wanna see it? Very nice, very cute, very demure. It not cooked yet still, but chew me did wait on the kettle. As you can see now, the previous Lily just carry the kettle come. So I put on my hot water for the goats, yeah. Anyways, another part and now we reach a vegetable time. Watch Lily, she know I'm sure. She know I'm for sure. So we are going to the vegetable as we can see night come catch you cook me deal for mine. As long as I'm done cook and happy. So we are going to the vegetable. Me not even know what I make, but I'm just looking at the fridge and see some vegetable. And the vegetable all are spoiled. Like, why am I buying the vegetable and I'm not using them? Why am I doing that? But anyways, me I go, the cutting up of the cabbage. Lily I try cut up the lettuce them as fine as possible. But mother do a a better job. That just what I say? Yeah. Yeah. So the girl cut up her cabbage. Me don't know other cabbage are white. So like, why them cabbage are white? So me not like white cabbage, bro. Like, me not even like cabbage overall, but me did need look of vegetable. So the girl dice. Yeah, me both dice. The girl chop up our cabbage. Cause me gonna make some tossed salad. Yeah. So me I go and chop up my cabbage. While Lily I chop up the lettuce as fine as possible. So yeah. Stay tuned. Got a vegetable I got sweet, guys. My auntie like, yes, I think I make the best vegetable in the world. I can do a better job than Lily. My son Joshua now and the entire family. Anyways, yeah, the girl that chop up our vegetable because it have cute, nice, demure, and lovely and everything. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Go on the thing. You know what's up, chef? Not a building. Watch ya. Watch your knife for cuts. Watch ya. Boy, yes, my girl. Anyways, yeah. So me I ask Lily now for put on the sauce. So being as me I chop up the vegetable, I want to make the sauce for the jerk chicken. So me I ask Lily now, cause I never seen on the video, but me did take out my jerk chicken, my baked chicken. Why me I contradict myself? I take out my baked chicken from out of the oven. I throw off the water, cause you know the baked chicken spring water. I don't know who baked chicken know that. So I use the broth from the chicken to make the sauce. So me I ask Lily now to turn on the stove, put in my broth with the seasoning from the chicken in the pot there. Wow, I did so Lily do it, me not even did see. She take off the pot off of the stove like, wow. Leona, me God go there, come not going. Anyways, in the kitchen, hot. Me I tell her the oven on plus 3 other stove. Brother attach and rain out of door say, you know, we cannot open the door for have rain breeze come in because that is low sickness. So anyways, Lily are going throwing that in the pan and Lily no better me because she scrape everything out of the pan in the pots, which is good still because she say she don't cut over her lettuce there. She take everything from me. Yes, me add my cabbage to the lettuce. Because I just find vegetable in the fridge and I just work with them, I find. So, yeah, that is me now. Put in my cabbage. Yes, I'm going with my carrot now because I go grate them carrot because you know carrot now I go cut up and nice up in a vegetable. And who know me, I go wash the things them before I use them. All if I just wash them. But anywho, yeah, I grate out my carrots. I just want vegetable pretty, nice and lovely. Yes, and I would have do a better job than Lily. That is why I do it. Yes. Big up Joshua. And the entire family. Yeah, so girl are great. Hey, when I'm ready for in the kitchen and work and cook and clean and everything, the girl in the kitchen, bro. Believe me. I'm sorry for the man who go get me for him wife. Alone nice food and everything. The man I got fat. And if he come fat, him I got bigger. Whoa, boss the big dance come my vegetable pretty already. Yeah, so that was my carrots. So I'm going with the sweet pepper. Watch me and try grate a sweet pepper knowing say it not gonna work. Cause that was laziness. Believe me, say I had some laziness. Cause I know say it not gonna work. I'm still a try anyways. So I turn on the part where you know you could have cut a cabbage pan. And I try. It don't work, but this grate have been up. I'm gonna have time for fix it. So anyways, it now, girl, you know she said that not working. Girl, that is not working. Yes, girl, stop, man, stop. The enough is the enough. Get back a peeling knife and get on with the cooking. So you see me there? Peer up. I go in there with me. I cut the slices of the sweet pepper fine. And then I dice them. So yeah guys, I cut the slices fine and then I dice them. So in case you want to know about my local cooking type of thing. And I don't want nobody tell me say Anna, so if you do all this can mix with that. I cook how I want to. Okay? So y'all just either want to take a page out of my book or want to just do what the norm do. Me not normal. I will do weird things. When I come onto the kitchen, I will do weird things. I will cook things different. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the next red pepper now. Like sweet pepper. I'm going to go in with the dicing of it. Come put like a sweet pepper and a vegetable, Because when I'm ready to make nice food and nothing normal, the girl that come right out with the making of the food, bro. Yeah. So, yeah, see me I dice up the local sweet pepper now. Yes, I'm gonna put them in. Wow, look how pretty. Wow. You can book me if you want to come cook on an event or anything. If you don't feel like you need one look a chef or look do some different type of cooking, I'm available. This is why when I go restaurant go buy food, I tell them say listen, wanna give me good things. Cause me used to good food. Cause I tell them me can cook. Look how girl I sweat. Jaja DJ sweat man. No so DJ active with the setting. As you can see, the lettuce overpower everything because the lettuce was more. And I decided I'm not left the lettuce in the fridge because it has spoiled. So I'm going to say, alright, may I make everything. Alright, back to the kitchen now. Back to the stove where I go stir up my sauce. Yeah, as you can see, it dry out. So I go add more ingredients because you don't know when I want to pot bun up. So look for some peas. Hello, hello. Look for some peas. Yeah, that's a code. So see the girl there now. I try prepare our ingredients them for my baked chicken. Yeah, so that I'm sugar. I'm just add 2 and little spoon of sugar. And I'm a baked chicken sauce. Just add my ketchup. As I say, add a brat me did I use. So you know that this no need nothing more. Just add the things in for make the sweet sauce. You get what I say? Yeah. So I'm gonna add ketchup. I'm gonna add little sugar. Now I think I got to put water in there because it's too thick. It thick bad. It thick. And believe me, say it smell like wine. Oh yeah, I add little brown in car. Me don't want a white chicken to eat. Who want white chicken? Me got go down because I'm not going. When I eat white chicken, me is a born Jamaican. Yeah. Tip little water. Yes. I'm still stirring and see like it thick and tip. Little tip more. Yeah. As I say, me a bad chef. You know, book me if you all need me. Me not just can't come here. I can cook. Alright. I'm done talk. People are gonna say, you can chatty, but believe me, some talk facts. Anyways, see me I test it. Let me show you. See it? Look on it. Very pretty. Very demure. Very smelling lovely. Very hot girl like. Every hot girl can cook. I mean a little normal or regular cooking. Alright, so my jerk chicken. My baked chicken. Me ever say jerk chicken. I'll jerk chicken one of them days still for my fan, my subscribers them. Yes, anyway, see it there? Me I place my sauce for my chicken. Although my chicken is so black like I want it, but so white either. Anything. Anyway, I chat nonsense, but yeah. So white and so black. So I still love the fact that I tip like a brown in my sauce. So I done all of the sauce there in the sauce because I done cook curry goat and everybody eat curry goat and everybody love baked chicken. Even my nephew, when I bake chicken, he's like, Auntie, I love when you put the meat in the oven. I'm like, okay, nephew. Yeah, so I done all of the sauce with this. So. And then, bear in mind, say, it's in the kitchen hot. The oven hot bad. So, I just got to turn off the stove. Yeah. Back to my vegetable now. Yeah, so girl, prepare our vegetable. So, yeah, I go make little thingy for putting on my vegetable. I don't know why I black out the camera, so, but anyways, me and my big back and my big hand them. Yeah, so guys, me go in with little sugar. Then, me go in with some vinegar. I don't like when the cabbage smell funny. I don't like it. So all of the people in the restaurant you can do better. Because when me make my cabbage vegetable, it don't smell funny. Y'all can put it in there. And that's my mayonnaise. Because mayonnaise buckle, I don't know it drop and it shell out. I don't know at first I say plastic but so. But anyways, the shell out, I mean, yeah, you have a script in one cup. Who mind, who don't. And that is it. Yeah, that is fine. Also, see them adding my mayo, and my little sugar, and my vinegar, and my stir it in. Yeah, me never like how it look. It look flat, so me add more mayo. Yeah. And the girl at Top Chef in a bomba. Watch this. Yo, I'm telling you something, man. I tell her that stop, ma. I don't play with that top chef here. Oh, I have to have money for me come cook for you. Yeah, I'm cook. I can cook come on here, come cook personally for you if you want that. So tell me. Me go leave me number in the comment section so y'all can go there, find my number and I'll come and cook. It depends. Yeah, if my charging our money, only leave think about it, just pay me. Yeah. See them me mix it in, you know, come on, they look very girly, you know, and cute and beautiful. I'm all about colors when I'm making vegetable, okay? Yeah, so see them me show you now, guys. Very cute, very girly, very beautiful, and very nice too. Not only that, it's sweet, nice bar. Thumbs up for me on the vegetable. So right here, so now I do some little lily. I make dice up some tomato, cucumber, and I have some grapes. So I'm gonna put that in there. Cause as I say, I do different things. Yeah, different things. So see them I cut up my Irish. What that name again? Carrots. Yeah, I'm going with big cooking on man. God. Yes, so I pour that in now in my goat. Because basically everything else finished except the goat. And the pressure pot not even work good. As you can see, me did all at a point, me did kind of tie up the angle. Because I don't know why it takes so long. Yeah, so I add more water to the boil of that. Warm water. Well, not warm, but hot water. Yeah, make it boil up. So see that, guys, my baked chicken is ready. My curry goat is finished and my rice and peas is done. So to see the beauty of my food, I don't play when it comes to my belly. And I love curry goats and I love baked chicken. I only chicken I'm really like at this point in my life. Yeah, so food finished now. It's time for me to share the food them. So watch the girl, you know. The girl I gonna share her food. That is my food. Yeah, and you know me gonna eat no food. Yes, only my food. And that is Lily's plate. Lily take out her plate, you know. She want, she leave one no food. All she a go on. Yeah, somebody have to throw that time skin in a sink. Yeah, so the girl had dish out her food. Yeah, she said she don't want no more rice. So now, this is mommy bowl. Because she said she don't want none of them plate there, you know, she wants in her bowl. So I just say, alright, not a problem, mother. And she cannot eat no food either. So, I just take out, I say, alright, my mother. I just take out for food in her that. And she don't want enough food either. No, me put enough food in there for she and my bigger nephew. And she was like, no. So I said, alright then. So I just make her turn and I just go put some rice in my nephew plates. Because my nephew is a foodie, you know, man. Yeah. So my nephew plate then now. My next nephew them asleep, so and it was like about after 7 because the whole renting them drop asleep because they are babies. Yeah. So mommy decides she want a wing. So I say, alright, wing it is my mother. So I get her one wing in her plates. Lily says she want a leg. So I say, alright, leg for you, Lily, not a problem. Everybody want what they want. Me want thigh because I can't eat bone anymore. With them something in my mouth called braces, I can't eat bone. And me as a girl, I love my bone, you know. Differently, I not tell no lie. I love my bone. Yeah, I did have to put look like sauce for my chicken because me that's, yeah. So I send up one piece of breast for my nephew. Yeah. So I'm putting back my baked chicken now. So now it's curry goat time. So I have to use a spoon to share curry goat because I don't want too much gravy on the food them. So we have to use the whole spoon. So for my mother now, I full up her plate. My mother not normally eat curry goat, you know. And me make she start eat back curry goat. I'm proud of myself, you see. Yeah, I need one big spoon for the gravy part of it. I don't have the big spoon. You don't judge me. Make sure you don't judge me when I'm not perfect. Okay? But that little spoon I use for now. Yeah. And for Lily food now, she love meat. And she can't eat half the food. Anytime I cook, she cannot eat half the food. My nan tell no lie. So the girl a plate out the food, them very nice and cute. Look on pretty food. Talk the truth now. Tell me why I'm not for married in a earth. Come on, Lily said she want more meat, so I just give it to her. Yeah. Come down to my nephew now. My nephew plate this. I give him food same way, because as much as I'm bad, I love him same way. Yeah, because my boy them same way. I just want him just have sense. Yeah. I mean, I want nobody tell me, say, you should have put that in there. You no can't tell me for put it in my video. Okay? Yes, you don't know, say it's my meat time now. I mean, love meat bad. And when I go to a restaurant, I say, I want enough meat. You see, if them cook the food nice, make it nice like mine, I'm alright with a little bit of food. One time, I have a restaurant I normally buy curry goat from. They normally give me like a little bit of food, but just cheap food nice, I not even complain. I love enough meat. Yeah, I mean that. Yeah, so we come to the sharing of the food now. We're going to the vegetable time. My favorite part of everything. So the food them there, guys. Tell me why I'm not for married. Look there. Look on curry goats and baked chicken in a plate. This could be me, my husband, and my 2 children. Talk truth. Yes, I'm going with my little raw vegetable, with my little grape, my little cucumber, and my little tomato. Yes, when I love about my family, they love vegetable. They will eat their veg, and I love that. Yeah, that's why I'm not sick often. I'm sick once in a blue. When I'm sick, I mash up bad. Yes, because I love eat vegetable. I love vegetable. I just not like cabbage, because cabbage, I'm kind of blow up. Yeah, that is the main reason I don't like cabbage. But in other case, I'm going to eat it. Because my home, I can get bloated. That's fine. I'll drink some gas medicine and ease the pain off. Yes. So that I'm mother food and don't know. I'm going to put my mommy first. Yeah. So that for my girl Lily. Lily, I'm a girl, you know, man. Love Lily, you know. Yeah. I just want Lily behave herself. I don't know, I'm going to take enough vegetable. Lily says she not like this. So I'm going to put it on for her. She says she don't want no fight. Yeah. So that is my little family. Yes, I'm gonna cook for them. The girl in a juice still, because the girl have much juice in her fridge. Wow. No, talk the truth. I wanna leave comment in the comment section. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about the food. Alright, so I throw much juice there. Yeah, car. You know, I'm not too drink the juice from with it, because I'm big and fat, but I love it. Yeah, I love myself. Either ways, yes, it is what it is. Yes, I'm going to taste up the food for telling you and showing you the face expression. I know I'm not been up my face, so you know, food nice and it don't have enough pepper. Me as a girl, me love my pepper. But you may cook for me and the family, me have to humble myself. Anyways, guys, me I taste up my chicken. You know, see, it's soft. Remember, guys, to please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Cause you see them are cooking and I don't know if you don't want to miss them, but me who don't want to miss nobody cooking. I miss a foodie, watch foodie video all the time on YouTube. Mwah, love you all.